ika ng ano.
Day 3!
Na-
Day 3! Day 3! We're going to Guimaras! Go, go, go!
Gabo kayo ka lang.
Pagod siya.
Pagod.
How's day 3 with the girls? Para sa 40.
Babe, papunta rin naman siya dito. Maglalako siya. Kalay mo, pauwi na siya.
We're here sa roller line. Ang daming sasakyan doon.
Ako daw.
Ang cute.
Hello! Nandito kami sa pit stop. Nakain kami ng mango pizza. Yan. Capitol sa Guimaras. And the famous Guimaras sign. Grand opening.
Ay, oh my God!
Wow!
It's so yellow and it was all yellow.
Ano? Mango pizza.
Woodland.
Hello! We're here at Gisi Lighthouse and Beach. Gisi ata, I think. Wash your step, please.
The rocks in the ocean.
So pretty. So may daanan dito, pero sarado na siya ngayon eh. Ayan. Historical landmark. Oh, 1894. So, ruins na nga siya.
Okay.
It's cute though. Ito may well. Ayan, may mga naghuhulog ng coins dun. So, dito yung hagdan. I think it's the old lighthouse. Pero bawal kasi umakit eh. Kasi ano. Ayan. We're here. Medyo puno ata. So, ganito siya. Tara. Ay, net.
Why do you ask?
I don't know. Seafood olio. Beef tapa. Pesto.
Massacre pesto.
Chicken tenders. Tapa ulit. Bumili ng mango shake. So, there's mango shake. Then, ice candy. Then, dun may mga mangga. Ayan. It's raining here in Guimaras. It's 5 p.m.
May bariya ako, bariya.
And right behind you is one car. Anybody caught pissing over there? We'll have his penis removed.
Kunyari, ito first date ay.
First day.
Kala, chuch.
Kala ko lang po.
Meron kami adopted cat. Come on, come on. Halika dito.
Ito pala yung cat distribution system. Ano? Cat distribution system.
Come on.
Ang ganda ng mata niya.
Yes. Come on. Come on.
Ayun, oo nga.
Nasa dulo na kami ng festive. What? Sa likod na kami ng festive walk. If that's correct. Esplanade. Ayun na, may maganda silang art.
Wait.
Wow.
Wow. Ay!
It's so long.
Look, ilang-ilang flowers.